When Kodak released the Tmax P3200 once again in 2018, I was super duper happy. But it was pretty expensive and I had to wait a long time to order in this beautiful island. So here it is. Finally, I got to try this amazing film. Although when I say amazing, it's very subjective because, well, it is very grainy and P3200 means that it is not 3200 ISO. It means it can push till 3200. Although I have seen examples in internet that people went crazy and pushed really far. Anyway, so Kodak Tmax is a fantastic film. It's pretty grainy. You have amazing push and pull capabilities. However, the base ISO officially I think is 800, which means within 800 and 1000 you can get great result. Now I have shot it at 1000 ISO or ASA, and I developed it with Kodak Xtol, which is according to my research is a fantastic choice for developing this film other than the Tmax developer. However, word of advice, Xtol is expensive and I had to literally make 5 liters of developer just to develop this film. So that means that I gotta finish my rest of the 5 liters of developer, which I'm currently going through it. Although I'm not a huge film photographer anyway, I do it for hobby, but now I'm kind of obliged. Anyway, that's not the point of this video. About the developer and developing process, I did develop it at 26 degrees Celsius because I live in a tropical island and the temperature do not go down below generally 2200. So the developing process was quite fast, although I managed it quite well, and you're gonna see it in a moment, to be honest. I'm very excited and happy about it because I'm a beginner, and as a beginner was a bold choice to pick this film. Let me take you to our first location. In this location is fantastic and crazy. It is a church that survived a volcanic eruption. Yep, literally volcanic eruption. So what happened is that the lava was passing by and blocked at the wall, and the wall was really thick, so the lava had to go around this church. So somehow this church survived, and I did use a lot of red filter when I was taking the photo to get the sky dark, but at the same time I accidentally underexposed quite a bit, and that's a mistake of the beginner. Unfortunately, nothing I can do, but during the scan process I could get a lot of details back. Now this location is a road. Now this is not just any road. This road was made through the lava. So there's a volcanic eruption happened a long time ago, but this disconnected the connection between one part of the island with the other part of the island. So the road was made on top of the lava. As you can clearly see, it still have clear signs of the volcanic eruption. This place is wonderful. So now we are inside a tropical green forest, and eventually after a long walk in the middle of the day we ended up at a lake. That lake is in the middle of the mountain. So it's interesting because when there is a drought, it become really yellow brown and cracked, one of those cracked floor, I believe. But when it's raining, it gets super duper green and turn it into a lake. Now our final destination is basically a beautiful marriage between a bunch of fountains with the ocean and green vegetation. Super famous location in this island for picnic, just to chill and just listen to the waterfalls, ocean and birds exactly at the same time. Sometimes a lot of people, we were there during the weekend, so it was kind of overcrowded. Nonetheless, fun time. I hope you like my video. If so, like and subscribe, and you can support me via Patreon. And I see you soon. Bye bye.